Do you know the history Milky Way and the evolution of all of them? The Milky Way has been around for quite some time. The exact age is unknown, but astronomers have put its birth at around 13.6 billion years ago, give or take a few hundred million years. That makes it a middle-aged galaxy, not old by any means, but definitely not young either. You see, the Milky Way formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust that was probably around 1 million light-years across. And it wasn't just this huge cloud sitting still. Oh no, it was actually rotating. And it was that rotation that kept the cloud together as it collapsed in on itself. Gravity is like that. It pulls things together, but if you're moving in just the right way, it can also keep things from crashing into each other. As the cloud started to collapse, gravity pulled the gas and dust together into a flat pancake shape. And that's pretty much how all spiral galaxies form, including our very own Milky Way. But our galaxy didn't start out as a peaceful spiral, it was a barred spiral from the beginning. You see, the stars in the center of the Milky Way were moving in a peculiar way. They weren't moving in circles like most of the stars in the galaxy. They were moving back and forth in a straight line along the axis of the galaxy. This suggested that there was something unusual going on in the center of the Milky Way, some kind of bar-shaped structure that was affecting the way the stars moved. And in the 1960s, astronomers actually discovered exactly what they were looking for. There was a bar-shaped structure of stars in the center of the galaxy that extended almost halfway out to the edge of the Milky Way Estes, and that's why we call our galaxy the Milky Way. It's a barred spiral galaxy. But the Milky Way isn't the only galaxy with a bar. About 2/3 of all spiral galaxies have them. But the Milky Way's bar is pretty special. You see, the Milky Way's bar is made up of about 40,000 stars, and it rotates as a unit with a period of about 200 million years. That makes it one of the fastest rotating structures in the galaxy. And it's not just a bunch of stars rotating around some random axis. The Milky Way's bar is perfectly aligned with the galaxy's spiral arms, which means that the bar is playing an important role in the structure and evolution of the galaxy. We don't know exactly what that role is, but we have some theories. For example, we think that the Milky Way's bar may help to regulate star formation in the galaxy. We know that star formation is happening in the spiral arms, but not in the center of the galaxy. And we think that the bar may help to prevent star formation in the center by channeling gas and dust out to the spiral arms where stars can form. The Milky Way is a vast and complex structure, and we're still learning about it. But one thing is for sure, our galaxy has a rich and fascinating history that goes back billions of years. So next time you look up at the night sky and see the Milky Way, remember that our galaxy is a dynamic and ever-changing place that has been home to countless stars, planets, and other celestial bodies throughout the eons.